In this video, we'll walk you through finding a confidence interval that estimates a population mean using the calculator. A simple random sample of 35 students was conducted and their final exam score was collected. The mean of the sample was 87 and 33/100 points and the standard deviation was 13 and 38/100 points. We're going to construct a 95% confidence interval estimate for the mean of all students in Math 208 on the final exam. The instructor for the class claims that the typical mean on the final exam is 90 points. Do the results justify the claim? So we're going to go into Stat, once again over to our test menu. As I said before, we're going to be using multiple tests, so we need to keep track of them. To compute a confidence interval to estimate a population mean, in this course, this semester, we will use t-interval. So that's going to be option number 8. Okay. Now we are going to go ahead and move our slider over here to the right to stats because we're given the summary stats for this situation. We'll go down to our mean x bar, which is 87 and 33/100. Then we'll go down to our standard deviation, which is 13 and 38/100. We'll go to our sample size, which was given as the 35 students. And then we're going to go to our confidence level, which is 0.95. And then we're ready to calculate. What we see before us here is our confidence interval. Now remember, the rounding rule for means and confidence intervals is to round to the same number of decimal places if the sample mean was given to you. I highlighted the sample mean of 87.33 here on the original problem, so that means we're going to round to 2 decimal places, 82.73 points and 91.93 points as we see here. I went through and applied the 3 phases for the conclusion here. If you have any questions on the 3 phases or are encountering any trouble, I'm standing by to answer your questions through email or through appointment time or any office time as well. This goes ahead and concludes this video lecture.